Hello and welcome. My name is Diana, and in this video we'll be making these delicious banana muffins. You can find the recipe details in the description box. Start out by adding flour, baking soda, and salt to a mixing bowl. Then whisk those together until they are well combined. Set your dry ingredients aside. Then in a separate large mixing bowl, add your egg, granulated sugar, and vegetable oil. Then use a spoon to stir those until everything is smooth. Then add your dry ingredients right into the wet ingredients. And continue stirring until it all comes together. The mixture will be thick, kind of dry and crumbly. That's what you want it to look like. Just make sure everything is incorporated and there's no dry patches of flour. Then get some overripe bananas. If your bananas are browner than this, that's even better because it will give you more banana flavor. Use a fork to mash your banana until it's pretty smooth, almost like baby food. You don't want any big lumps of banana going into your batter. Then to your batter, add milk, vanilla extract, the mashed bananas, and chopped walnuts. Gently fold everything together just until everything is incorporated and the batter is moistened. Try not to overmix it. The batter will still be thick and lumpy at this point. If it looks like this, then you're doing it right. It might almost remind you of a cookie dough. Then line a 12-count muffin pan with cupcake liners and lightly spray them with non-stick cooking spray. Divide your batter evenly into the liners. They'll be filled just under the top. Here I'm just cleaning off the excess cooking spray before I stick it in the oven. Bake them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or just until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once they're done, remove them and let them cool in the pan, or you can carefully remove them with a fork and put them on a cooling rack so that they'll cool a little bit faster. Then you are ready to enjoy them. These muffins are really good. They have this crispy top and they're really moist in the middle and have a great banana flavor. We hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching.